Hi there! Welcome to the Mendix 8.14 release video, the first one after this year's Mendix World. And that, friends, was an absolute blast. The community came out in force and had a lot to say about the content and the experience. In case you missed anything, don't worry. All content is still available on demand and is just waiting for you. Just click here in the link below to access all that content. In this video, however, we will cover the release of DataHub. Check back on that same Mendix World content I just mentioned for a more in-depth X-ray session on DataHub. We have also introduced live checks, native mobile navigation enhancements, and dynamic classes on all widgets. And in case you thought we forgot, we will also announce the Maker of the Month winner. So let's get started.
Mendix Studio now has live checks to validate your app directly after every change. So you will get direct feedback if the app is ready to be previewed or published. When there's still some to-dos left, just hit the checks button and the elements that require inspection will be highlighted together with the error text explaining you what to do.
Ever wanted to make your widget be styled differently based on some condition? Good news for you. We introduced a dynamic class property on all widgets that enables you to specify an expression that returns the class name that will be applied to the widget. Before this feature, widgets were duplicated and toggled via conditional visibility just to use another class. This is not needed anymore with this function, which will make your life much easier and development faster. Next to that, this will give many more options to dynamically style your apps. This is based on an idea of Jason Townsend submitted to the Mendix Idea Forum. Thanks, Jason.
When you're designing and building an application, one of the most important aspects to focus on is the user flow through the application. Especially with mobile apps, users have specific expectations on what should happen on every step through their journey. In order to help you build apps that meet user expectations, we have extended the native navigation capabilities on two fronts. We extended the close page action, so you're now able to close multiple pages at once. This allows you to close an entire subflow of your application in one go. In addition, you can also close one or more pages as part of the open page action. This gives you fine-grained control over user flows by deciding what is visible when the user navigates back. Alternatively, you can prevent the user from navigating back entirely by using the option to clear history of the open page action. This is useful when navigating from intro screens to the real landing page of your app. Sometimes you want your user to focus on a very specific task. Pop-ups are perfect for such scenarios because of the full screen presentation. From now on, you can also use pop-ups in native mobile apps by setting the layout type to pop-up.
DataHub is the easiest way to find and use data shared by applications in your organization. DataHub is a new product. It will be released on October 1st. DataHub will be available to developers who work for companies that have purchased the product. Users will be able to search for services and datasets registered in the DataHub catalog right from the DataHub pane in the studios. From here you can request more detailed info on the dataset or service by opening the DataHub catalog. Or you can connect your app to the dataset you found by dragging it into your domain model as an external entity. External entities enable you to use external data in the same way you use normal persistent entities. All your data retrieves will automatically be translated into a REST call to the service providing the data. Of course, the integration of DataHub is not limited to Studio Pro. You will find the same integrated DataHub features in the Mendix Studio, so anytime you need data from another application in your Mendix Studio project, you can simply search the same catalog of datasets and connect the datasets to your pages and microflows in Mendix Studio. If you haven't purchased DataHub, you will see this notification instead. In the future, we will enable anyone to try DataHub for free, so everybody can experience the time DataHub saves you.
And now it's time to announce the winner of the Maker of the Month challenge. Or should I say, winners? Last challenge got so many awesome submissions, we decided to pick not just one, but 3 lucky winners to join the Henna Fry workshop during Mendix World. The winners for this month are Martin, Ali, as well as Andres. Thank you so much for your contributions. I hope you had a great time at the workshop at Mendix World. Check out the linked forum post for this month's challenge in the description. I'm looking forward to see all the different answers. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to your channel to get automatically updated on new content. Thank you for watching and see you at the next release.